Hey guys, you are watching my show The Kiddos. Today we are at JKG International School and an exhibition is going on. Let's find out the concept and how the people have executed it.
See, I'll tell you, generally in most of the schools what happens is they generally organize annual day, right? And small programs just like Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day and all. But I wanted to create a platform where all the students can showcase their inherent skills, right? And that was supposed to be showcased in the form of a free platform. So I thought, let me, go for a kind of open exhibition for all the parents as well as to the neighbor schools. So that is how we started conceiving the idea about organizing this kind of exhibition in school. When we talk about the theme, that is Panchabhuta, story of life. See, I am a very spiritual person. I'm telling you this thing from the core of my heart. I believe that जो इंसान है वो शून्य से आता है और शून्य में ही जाकर मिल जाता है. We are nothing more than elements of life, all Panchabhutas, right? So that is how we started conceiving this idea and we named it Panchabhuta.
Okay, ma'am. So you think that this kind of co-curricular activities will make a change?
For sure. Right now, just half an hour before, one of the mother came to me and she has thanked me like anything. She said, ma'am, my child has not participated in any of the activities for the last 4 years. He has been studying here in the school. But through this platform only, he has got to showcase his talent. So I think, this kind of platforms or they are generally the showcase for showing the potential by all kind of students. When we see a class, class consists of an NPC curve. Students below average, average and above average. Above average, they generally get all sort of platform. They go in inter-school competitions. They go in n number of activities, right? But for mediocre children, it is very difficult to participate in that kind of activities. So I think, this is going to support and build up a confidence in that kind of lot.
स्टूडेंट्स ने टीचर्स ने मिलकर के आइडिया आया कि पंचतत्व में हम क्या क्या इसमें हो रहा है, कैसे किस तरह से क्या हुआ. और स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छा मेहनत की और जितने भी विजिटर्स आए सब ने इसको सराहा. और मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स को. और इससे स्टूडेंट्स केवल किसी भी टॉपिक को याद करने से काम नहीं चलता जब तक कुछ क्रिएटिविटी नहीं करते हैं. और एग्जीबिशन से बेनिफिट स्टूडेंट्स को यही होता है कि वो कभी भी इस एक्सपीरियंस को भूल नहीं सकते. और इस सब टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कभी भी इसी वर्ष नहीं, कभी भी किसी साल भी अगर क्वेश्चन में कोई क्वेश्चन करता है तो वो आंसर हमेशा वो दे देंगे.
तो सर, ऐसे को-करिकुलर एक्टिविटी स्कूल्स में और होंगे?
हाँ, इस तरह के तो हमारे यहाँ तो 3.0 एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी है जो कि कंटिन्यूस चलता है. इसके अलावा जो भी क्रिएटिविटी पर हम लोग ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं और आगे भी इसी तरह से करते रहेंगे. ये इस तरह की एग्जीबिशन की है. कल भी सब्जेक्ट वाइज इस तरह का कार्यक्रम हम लोग करते रहेंगे.
So it was a great exhibition experience. So how come this kind of ideas strike in your mind?
Actually, it's a combined effort. It's our team, our students, our teachers. Both are just first we discuss in which topic we have to show the exhibition. So finally we decide Panch Bhuta. It's regarding 5 elements like it's include earth, water, clouds, air, space, and we want to tell everyone how can we save all this thing and how can we cure it and how important these elements for in our life.
So you think that this kind of co-curricular activity will give a change in future?
Definitely. Actually, it's a try. Like we should take a step. Then only we can come to know कि if we'll take a step, we have to take a step. That's it. Ultimately, result come after that.
The Panchbhuta is all about the 5 elements of life, from where we all human beings are created and human beings are live on it. This is what we have. This is all live theme of Panchbhuta. This is the objective of Panchbhuta.
So how it strike?
This is, all the efforts done by the team of Ambassador Wing, and they all have given their best, and this is all teamwork.
How it strike to your mind, Panchbhuta?
Yeah, Panchbhuta, it's just like when we start up our life, right from the birth till human beings' deaths, we all are with the Panchbhuta. It's in if we talk about our body, our hands, our feet, it's all about creature. It's all about the Panchbhuta.
Ma'am, how you have encouraged the children to do this kind of exhibition?
Yeah, the encouragement is given by all our team efforts and all by teachers and all, and the encouragement students, they have come up with their own ideas also, because it's all about the life.
We all have just organized this theme, पंचभूता, पंच तत्व, कि किस तरह से ये पंच तत्वों को मिलाकर इस सृष्टि का निर्माण होता है, और इसमें अगर संतुलन में थोड़ा सा भी मीन्स ऊपर नीचे हो जाए तो सब गड़बड़ है. इसमें थोड़ी कमी हो जाए, सपोज हमें धूप ना मिले तो हमारे पौधे पनपेंगे ही नहीं, और हवा ना हो या बारिश जो है रेन बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाए तो सारे में मतलब एक तरह से सृष्टि का विनाश है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे बच्चों ने इस तरह से दिखाई हैं कि पंच तत्व जो हैं, कि जो ह्यूमन है वो उसमें छेड़खानी ना करे ज़्यादा प्राकृतिक संतुलन में. प्रकृति के साथ अगर हम छेड़छाड़ करते हैं, प्राकृतिक संतुलन गड़बड़ाएगा और उससे क्या होगा, सृष्टि का विनाश.
Actually, Panchbhuta means it's a Greek word Satoshia of life, and the main meaning of the Satoshia is elements of life. Actually, we want to take a theme like based on nature only, and we want to learn the students how it will work, right? The process of elements of life. Process of life is first is sky, then air, water, fire, and earth. Yeah, the main thing is we want to show and learn the process of elements of life to the students as well as to us. Students, they themselves are very enthusiastic and motivated about this theme. They know and they knew actually about these elements. They learn more and more from the books and the net, online networking, and they executed the projects and models very finally, very well. You can see all this, and I can say hats off to the students.
पंचभूता एज द नेम सजेस्ट, ये हम लोगों की सृष्टि जिस तरीके से निर्माण हुआ है, जिस तरीके से हम बने हैं, ये हम सब जानते हैं. हमारे वेदों में लिखा है, हमारे ग्रंथों में लिखा है कि आग, पानी, हवा, इन सब के मेल से हम बने हैं. उसी को डिपिक्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि हम लोग अगर एग्जीबिशंस में जाते हैं तो सारे साइंस गैजेट्स दिखते हैं, सब कुछ दिखता है, बट रियलिटी ऑफ अवर लाइफ जो कि हमारा एक्चुअली तत्व है वो कहीं मिसिंग रहता है इस भागती हुई दुनिया में. इस वजह से हमने पंचभूता का कंसेप्ट रखा, ताकि हम बच्चों के थ्रू उनको समझा सके इस एग्जीबिशन के थ्रू कि एक्चुअली हमारा ये बेस है, हम इससे बने हैं और इसी में मिल जाएंगे. दिस इज़ पंचभूता ऑल अबाउट.
मैम, आपने बच्चों को कैसे मोटिवेट किया?
बच्चों में क्रिएटिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन की तो ज़रूरत हमें नहीं लगी. ओनली थिंग वॉज दैट हमने थोड़ा बहुत गाइड किया इन लोगों को, एंड दे केम आउट विथ सो मैनी ब्यूटिफुल आइडियाज़, एंड यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल हेयर. सो बस बच्चों को थोड़ा सा गाइडलाइन देनी थी कि उन्हें ये दिखाना था कि कहाँ से हम आए हैं और हमारा क्या हो सकता है अगर हमने उसको ठीक से यूज़ नहीं किया. दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव कंजर्वेशन ऑल्सो अ टॉपिक, एंड वी हैव डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑल्सो समवेयर. सो वी जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू मेक दैम क्लियर वट इज़ द रियलिटी एंड वेयर वी आर लीडिंग.
So basically we have taken a theme of water that is around 70% of our body. So that is most important element what we have.
It was a very nice experience. We understood many new things. We have shown our creativity in and gave many new ideas. It was a very nice experience of my life, as it is my second last exhibition in the school. And I think I have attended 5 exhibitions in the school, and this was the best experience.
It was a great experience. We got to learn various things, and making each model, we've experienced a lot. We surveyed a lot about every kind of topic and created everything. So it was overall a great experience about that.
What was your topic?
Our topic was sky. So basically we created a miniature of what the components of sky are. Like everywhere we have shown the black hole, the layers of the atmosphere and meteors, season change, etc. So we have depicted everything in sky in a small form.
You enjoyed a lot?
Yeah, we had fun exploring everything, the seniors, the juniors. So we collaborated a lot and we created models together. We worked together in unity and it was a really great experience working with everybody.
It's amazing when you face the difficulties while making the projects, but finally they came out very nice, so it's good. What was your topic? My topic is Earth, the evolution, the landforms, the destruction, and etc., the problems, and the beautifulness of the Earth, obviously.
Yoga refers to the combination of all the 5 elements. The 5 elements that combine together to support life. That is air, water, fire, sky, and earth.
What do you think?
I think yoga simply refers to the combination of these 5 elements resulting in the formation of any human being. Why only human beings, the animals, birds which we see all around us, these are all formed by the combination of these 5 elements known as Panchabhuta Sanchok.
So you people enjoyed?
Yeah, obviously it was a great thing. We learned the teamwork and all the things we made. It gave us new things to remember and all that.
We human beings are day by day exploiting our resources and elements of life which are necessary for survival. So we need to conserve them and we need to preserve our Mother Earth so that it can be used by future generations also, because we need to return all these resources to them also, as we have not inherited this world, we have borrowed it from our future generations.
So what is your topic?
Our topic is how we can conserve our resources by using renewable resources of energy, wind energy, hydroelectricity, solar energy, and also what are we causing harm like air pollution, global warming, water pollution, etc.
So have you learned anything?
Yes, we learned a lot from it because we got to know more and more about renewable resources, wind energy, and also rainwater harvesting techniques. It was a good plethora of knowledge.
Actually, I learned many things from here, and first it was my first experience being in an exhibition, because in my older school there was nothing such as exhibition. This is a really great opportunity that I did a lot of certain stuff, and I even learned a lot of things. And I'm really grateful to all my teachers. They were really helpful. How are you feeling? How's the experience?
Yeah, it was very good. I mean, last time also we came. It was wonderful, and this time is too wonderful now. So
what is Panchabhuta for you?
Panchabhuta for me, 5 essence that I saw in the front of that. Okay. It's something I am not sure basically, but the model was good. That's all I can say as of now. I haven't gone through it yet, but it was good.
Have you motivated any of the child?
Yeah, one of my kids is here. I already motivated my child. So he's good. He's doing good in exhibition and all that. So it's fine.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम लोग हमेशा आते हैं यहाँ पे और बच्चों को देखते हैं, बच्चों का वर्क देखते हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. बच्चे बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके. हाँ, हर साल आते हैं हम लोग, देखते हैं बच्चे बहुत मेहनत करते हैं.
तो आपने किसी को मोटिवेट किया?
हाँ, हमारी भांजी भतीजी आप पढ़ती है, हम उसके लिए आते हैं हमेशा. बहुत अच्छी वो करती है और हम.
आपको?
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. यहाँ पे अलीना खान पढ़ती है, उसके लिए हम लोग आए हैं. हर साल आते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ के.
Thank you. So how was your experience?
It was fabulous.
How's yours?
Good.
So what is Panchabhuta for you people?
5 elements of life which are very important for carrying out one's life.
It's tell us how to live a life in one's person.
Have you learned something?
We have learned about the 5 elements of life that are air, water, soil, and many more.
We have learned to conserve them and prevent them for the better use for a human being.
Yeah, it was very nice. Even I was a part of it, so I know how much hard work it requires.
Yeah. So what is Panchabhuta for you?
Panchabhuta refers to the 5 elements of living. Yeah.
So have you enjoyed or learned something from it?
Yeah, it was very interesting for me too, even if I was a part of it. But seeing it in front of my eyes, it was very nice. Yeah.
So you enjoyed, right?
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
How was your experience while you were working?
Well, I won't say that it was easy, nor I will say it was way too difficult. It was actually fun doing it because I literally learned a lot over here. We used many creative ideas, and also I made many friends right now. So I think that it was quite a fun experience, and I will always remember this one because it's my last year in this school. So it will be a memorable exhibition for me forever.